Okay, let's try this next question. And here it is, y equals a half and 2 to the x minus 1 minus 1. Well, how did we get all these things here? Well, let's do it a little bit different order. Even without pulling up these solutions, you'll see when you do it. Y equals minus 1 is the airport it takes off from. It's positive, it's greater than 0, so it should take off and go up to the right. This x minus 1, if I put 0 in there, I'm going to end up with the y-intercept, what I should put right here, and solve it. And if I make y equals 0 and solve it, I'm going to get this number 2. And if I pick one number a little bit bigger, like 3, I'll get a point where I could sketch the graph. Well, let's see what we did with it here. So you could type that into your calculator. 1/2 times 2 to the minus 1, that's 1/4 minus 1. You'll get minus 3/4. So there's that y-intercept. If you let y equal 0, you add 1. You divide by 1/2, so you get 2. And 2 to the 0 equals 2 to the x minus 2. X must be 2. You make the bottoms the same, and then you let the tops equal each other. Exponential equation. You just solve it. That's how I got x is 2. X is 2. I picked another number like 3 and just put it in. Y equals 1. That's the horizontal asymptote. And I just pick another number like 1 and put it, 3 rather, and put it into the formula, and I get 1 out for y. Okay, that's what I did. I put 3 in there. I got 3 squared is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Well, there's that one. Let's try I. Well, I is going to look like this. Now, how did I know it was going to look like that? Well, the first thing is it's a half. B, the base is a half, and that's why it takes off and goes to the left. But it's positive, so it's going up. It's got the same asymptote as y is equals minus 1. And you just put 0 in there and then work it out. You'll get minus a half for y. And then you put 0 in for y and solve. So let's see if we did that. We put 0 in for 1. Put that, just work it out. A half minus 1 is minus a half. But make y equals 0. And what do you get? You add 1. You put it 2 to the 0. It's minus x minus 1 equals 2. So minus x equals positive 1, x equals minus 1. That's the x-intercept there. And just take negative 2, put it into the formula, and you'll get 1 out. Put negative 2 in there, put it into the formula, and you'll get 1. And that's what I did here. So yeah, it's 1/2 to the minus 1 is 2. It's 1/2 turned upside down. That's what minus 1 means. It means 1/2, which is 2 minus 1 is 1. And that's how I knew to put minus 2 and 1. And there's the whole darn thing done.